Some wake up to a video with Nuffy express himself about Vybz Kartel situation and everything we go on at some fest. And the king and him something there. Nuffy, I agree with most of the things them what you say, but not everything. Because more you remember say, I own crown Vybz Kartel, the king of dancehall. So you can use phone yourself and phone crew and Gaza fans as the mass. But me not debate and war upon that. Yes, Vybz Kartel come from prison and come kill Afrobeat and come put dancehall back on a level. But dancehall was always there. Vybz Kartel only bring it back to Deso as a hardcore dancehall artist. And listen to the words I use, a hardcore dancehall artist. Because Shaggy and Sean Paul been a do it. But because the Jamaican space and diaspora don't recognize them as a dancehall artist. So when Vybz Kartel come do with them, though, it more impactful because people connected to Vybz Kartel and Vybz Kartel connect to the streets more than a Sean Paul and Shaggy. I break that down and left it there so. When you say you don't see no other king after Vybz Kartel, I disagree with you. Because Vybz Kartel is a good artist, put in a whole heap of work, but I also have an artist by the name of Popcaan. When Vybz Kartel reach in the stage when he can't go up on stage no more, there's going to be another king. And a Popcaan is going to be the king of dancehall. Because the same like how Joe and Scatter and all when they organize and crown Vybz Kartel, I see them way them going to organize and crown Popcaan. Because Vybz Kartel is not way bigger than Popcaan. And anybody who know music would not know that. The same stage where Vybz Kartel go up and perform, Popcaan can go up on the same stage there and have the same reaction and even bigger reaction too. I remember saying Vybz Kartel no perform all now upon a bands. From him come from prison. But because I'm health situation, people bypass that. But don't count out Popcaan. Popcaan is going to be the next king of dancehall. You say you don't see nobody. Yeah, don't for them young artists, them lazy, them now don't know work. But don't left out Popcaan. You see, Popcaan is very impactful in a dancehall. Because when Kartel they are prison, a Popcaan pull the crowd. And a Popcaan do it. Same like with Spice. Spice not have no competition when it comes to the queen of dancehall. And Shensia can never be the queen of dancehall. Reason why, we now make no woman, we can talk to them and take fucking on them body. And I tell the woman them, tell the girl them say, yo, them are 10 man for fuck, she want 10 man fuck her and them something there. No, she not represent the culture, she represent dancehall. So she will be the queen of slut. No disrespect to Shensia, but more like repeat upon what you say, you do. And all the person who were close to Spice would have be Pampute. Pampute because Pampute can perform, Pampute can do everything. And there's one thing Pampute shot at, it hits them like where Spice have. No other female artist couldn't be the runner-up for a queen of dancehall unless it would have been Pampute. But Pampute haven't put in enough work as a Spice in terms of the hits them and everything. But no mean say other artists will compete with Spice. And Shensia can't come nowhere near Spice. So, on no check what I say. So Nuffy, majority of things them you say I agree to. But when you say you see no other king for dancehall after Vybz Kartel, you're wrong. Popcaan are gonna be that next king. And the same way, on crown Vybz Kartel, when Vybz Kartel time up, I remember Vybz Kartel a big man, you know. A Popcaan, them are put on stage and crown just the same too. Yeah, man.